Soy Milk Hot Pot. Cut the vegetables. Cut the seaweed tofu. Separate the shimeji mushroom. Cut the shiitake mushroom into a beautiful pattern. We use 2,500 milliliters Shangshu series hot pot. Add in some water. Cut the soup base with bonito flakes and kelp. Boil for 20 minutes. Filter out the kelp. Add in 1 tablespoon of miso paste. Stir until dissolved. Place the vegetables on the bottom. Shimeji mushroom. Seaweed tofu. Shiitake mushroom. And your favorite ingredients. Add half of the soy milk. Cook for 20 minutes. Season with salt and sugar. You can also add in your favorite type of meat. Time to eat.